So over here you can see that I have a blog post, and this blog is not actually tagged onto a certain location. But let's say what you're doing is you're writing a blog post regarding a certain place, or it is related with certain location. In that case, you can add in location information to this blog post as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto location, and you can go around and search for a location, as you can see right here. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and type in Yangon right here, then it opens up that location, as you can see right here. You can zoom in and see, and this is the location name, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and tag out a location which is related with this particular post. And you can go around and update it right here. So if I were to go around and view my blog right here, this is what you have, as you can see, and you get a location for this particular blog post of where the blog is about as well. And if someone were to click it, then it actually goes around onto Google Maps right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and add in location details onto your blog post inside of blogs made in Blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.